Arjuna is requesting Krishna to come back to his previous form. Divya Rupa Darshan is not the goal. The goal is not to keep your mind in a state of inspiration, inspirational affirmation. There are two stages in your meditation practice. Affirmation stage. Your mind becomes more sattvic, greater is the affirmation. And you can be so sattvic that can create an inspirational setting in your mind through the entire universe as one personality. But it has matured your affirmation. It has not given you realization. So realization, you have to let it happen through your Prakriti in divine hand. And that will be that's what in the end of the Vishwarupa Darshan, Lord Krishna talks about going to the Guru, gaining the spiritual knowledge for attaining me. It doesn't say you have attained me, look. But for realizing the self, affirmation has opened the gateway. And this is the highlight, climax of affirmation. Vishwarupa Darshan. All is Brahman. That should be the type of meditation that should allow your heart to expand. But that you should not consider realization.